Julia, let's dream about our adventures today. Okay, I'm gonna draw skating. Julia, who are you drawing now? You. Not really. Today we went skating in Canada. Canada!
I would like to reach out my hand, say you, tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody well, pick me up with golden hand. Say you, tell you to run.
Nobody say, nobody World Adventure. Today we visited Canada's capital city called Ottawa. Let's take a picture. We went to a winter festival there called Wonderland. There's a lot of cool things to do at Winterlude. Wow! Wow! Ice sculptures! Ice sculptures? I've never seen them like that before. How do they make ice sculptures? A polar bear! Look at the gingerbread house! Today, Julia and I are going skating for the very first time with our friend Julie. Where's Julie? Now let's go find her. That's Julie. She's a great skater.
Hi.
What's a Winterlude?
What's Winterlude? Winterlude is a big festival that happens every year, and you get all sorts of activities that you can do.
Like ice mazes, ice slides, and ice skating. Can we maybe skate later?
That would be a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Before we went skating, we went to look at one more sculpture. What is that thing?
That's a totem pole.
Totem poles are giant sculptures with different faces on them. Native Canadians made them to tell different stories. Let's count the faces.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go to the maze. Bye, totem pole. Bye, totem pole. I'll race you through the maze. I'll race you. Look, there's the maze entrance. Come on. This way! Whoa, wrong way! This way!
We made it! Yes!
And ice slide time! Are those the slides?
Yes, they are. Don't they look like fun? When you're ready, you get down.
Let go! Now it's Mom's turn. Come on, you gotta go! Oh my gosh!
It's scary. Is it scary?
No!
Yeah, you hold it. You'll be fine. I can't get up now.
Time to try ice skating. Hi, Julie!
Hi, you guys ready to skate?
Yeah!
Right.
We're skating on the Rideau Canal, which is like a big stream going through the city. In the winter, it freezes solid, so people come out and skate on it. How long is this rink?
This rink is 7.8 kilometers long.
And it's really long.
It is really long.
Is it as long as the biggest rink in the world?
Well, I'll tell you what, it is the biggest rink in the world.
Whoa!
There you go. Ready? Put the foot, push the foot in.
Practice skate. Skates on, check. Yep. Helmets on, check. Ready to skate? Yay! Okay, first skate lesson.
All right, so the first thing to do is to really bend your knees and try and keep your weight forward. And the first thing we do is marching, like you just pick up your feet like that. There you go, and try and keep your feet really straight. Yeah, but just whoops.
This is slippery stuff.
Whoops. Stay.
We met Julie's husband and daughter Emma on the ice. Hi, Emma! spins.
You just pick up your feet.
Whoa!
Right?
We all marched together. March, 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 march. Then Emma's dad spun us around. I'm all good at falling. We practiced some more skating. Oh. Yep. And more falling.
Okay.
I'm catching up with you.
Yeah.
After all that fun skating, we were getting pretty hungry. So we sat down for a snack. Beaver tails!
How many beaver tails, ladies?
5.
5 beaver tails.
What do beaver tails look like? Beaver tails are like big flat donuts. I can smell it already.
Air milk. Oh, yes, I know those.
Real beavers are the national animal of Canada. Pass it the hot chocolate.
Thank you.
Cinnamon!
Cinnamon, thank you very much.
Yummy.
Julia?
That looks like
Your
chocolate.
hand, please.
Happy
New Year! We had an icy good time in Canada. Hi, Julie.
Hi, girls. Woo! So, before you go, you want to go skate some more?
Yeah.
All right.
Today we flew to see a huge outdoor rodeo. What's a rodeo, Joanna? It's like a bunch of different sports with horses and bulls and racing and stuff. This one's called the Calgary Stampede, and it's in Canada. It's the largest outdoor rodeo in the whole wide world. Yeehaw!
Hello.
Hi.
Have a great day, guys.
Thank you, Julia. Joanna.
Dad walked us through the fair to find our friend Carson. I don't feel like going on that thing. I've got to take a picture. Let's see if Carson is there. That's Carson. He's a cowboy. Howdy, Carson.
Howdy.
Howdy. Carson, what is there to do with the stampede?
Well, there's barrel racing, the rodeo, chuck wagon racing, wild broncos, there's rides.
Does that include fast rides?
Yep.
Carson took us on some really fast rides.
Well,
Yeehaw! And some really wet rides. Can we go in that Ferris wheel now?
of course, but first you need to have a cowboy hat.
You mean cowgirl hat? Wow, thanks.
There you go.
Thank you. We're ready for the stampede. Woohoo! She's going crazy. We could see all of Calgary from the top of the Ferris wheel. Here we go higher. You can see so much of the view.
Oh, there's the Indian village.
Where?
Behind. Back there.
Here we are at the top.
And now we're at the bottom.
Not quite yet. Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
All the people down there look exactly like ants.
You know, some people are scared of heights.
Yeah, I used to be.
How did you get over your fear of heights?
Well, I just went on heights a whole bunch of times, and I got over it.
That's what I always say. You know what I always would say? It's good to try new things. We tried lots of new things at the Stampede, like barrel racing. Hi, Jolene.
Hi.
That's our friend Jolene and her horse Stay.
You want to pat him?
Okay. No, thank you. Julia. Good horse, good Dane. Oh!
Can you give me one?
Act like you're not scared at all. Just relax.
Yeah. He hears things. When did you start barrel racing?
I started barrel racing when I was 8 years old.
And I'm 8.
I was the same age as you.
After we put on our safety hats,
Just to be a bit tighter.
we figured out who would try barrel racing first. No, catch the cabastro in my mo. You gotta go first. Why do I always have to be last? I don't know. No triangle fingers.
Turn him around the barrel.
Remember, you're not supposed to touch the barrel.
Good job. Way to go.
Jolene took us each around all the barrels. but you can't touch the barrels or you lose
Good
points.
job.
Yeah. Julian said we could watch a race later at the rodeo. This is fun. See you at the rodeo later. Bye, Danny Horse. On our way to the rodeo, we passed by the Indian village. There were lots of beautiful teepees set up, and everyone was dancing. Carson, what is this?
It's a powwow.
A powwow is when First Nations people meet and sing and dance together. Look at that nice light purple one. We even got to dance too. Rodeo time! Yeehaw! Here comes Jolene. Go, Jolene! She did it! We had a riding good time in Calgary. Howdy, Carson!
Howdy, girls. Before you go, you want to see some fireworks tonight?
Yeah! In Canada, in the wintertime, there's lots of things you can build with snow. Like ice sculptures, igloos, and even ice hotels. An entire hotel made out of snow and ice? Ooh la la! This one's built just outside of Quebec City. That's our friend Marie-Eve. She's gonna show us around. Bonjour, Marie-Eve!
Bonjour!
Bonjour!
Hi!
How do they make the ice hotel?
Yeah, to make the ice hotel, we have molds, like steel molds, and we blow the snow on the molds, and when everything is freezing, we just remove the molds, so everything is made out of ice and snow.
Every year they build a whole new ice hotel because every spring it melts. They even build an ice chapel so people can get married. What kind of rooms are in there?
Well, we have a total of 36 rooms, and we have 15 suites, which has decor made out of ice and bed made out of ice.
That must be freezing. Is that a slide back there?
Yes, it is.
Can you go on it?
That's for sure.
I bet it's made of ice or else you won't slip.
Yeah, everything is made out of ice.
Can we go inside now?
Yeah, let's go. Yoo-hoo!
First, we explored the lobby. The ice lobby. Hey, wait
welcome. This is
That is literally
the hotel. Yeah, everything is made out of ice.
Cool. How
Do you
do
want
you
to
put
see?
the feathers in the ice?
Yeah, we put them
You
inside.
freeze them. Marie-Eve took us to a cool art gallery to see more ice sculptures. Look at these sculptures.
Yeah,
Look, a turtle.
the little
Hey, look, that
house.
looks like a light.
It does, like fire. And a little house. Can you get in? Hello.
Wow. Eek, I can't get up.
You'll be
Oh, yes, I
free.
can. Get out. Marie-Eve's friend Fox showed us how he uses a chainsaw to make some of the ice sculptures in the hotel. He starts with a big block of ice. That he cuts a shape out of. Good job, Fox.
Oh, thank you. So you want to help me?
Yeah. Fox helped us chisel and then paint her creation.
Good. So blue for the eyes.
Nostrils? Fish don't have nostrils. but this fish does.
Okay, so now that we made a fish out of ice, would you like to go ice fishing with my friend Sharon?
Yeah, but
Yeah?
but before we go, can we go on the ice slide?
I almost forgot. Let's go right now.
Slide, let's go. Okay, Julia. Time to try some ice fishing. Sharon was already waiting for us out on the lake. The frozen lake.
Have you girls ever gone ice fishing?
No.
Would you like to do that today?
Yeah.
Have you ever gone fishing before?
Yes.
Really? And you caught
with
fish?
her dad.
All right,
Our
and you
dad
caught
did
fish?
the fishing. He didn't let us, but not ice fishing.
Now, what do you think is the difference between ice fishing and regular fishing?
Ice fishing has ice, and you have to drill a drill, and then you put the fishing rod in.
Yeah, very good. Follow me. When we get to the other side, my friend Jean-Claude is going to help us. He'll make the hole for us. He'll drill the holes, and then he's going to help us put the worms on the hook, because I don't like to touch the worms.
I like to touch worms.
Okay.
After Jean-Claude drilled the hole, we had to scoop all the slush out.
Add some salt.
Une fois qu'ils l'ont mis dans l'eau,
I said I like to touch worms, not hook them. We waited and waited, and then Mom came with hot chocolate.
Who would like some hot
Bon, on pêche avec ça.
to try that one. Would you like to try that one?
Oui.
Wait a minute. You just had a bite.
Oui, il y en avait une.
Move it up and down like he did.
Elle est
Okay,
partie.
slowly,
Non,
slowly.
elle est partie.
Would you want to learn to?
I caught one!
Non, elle est là, elle est là, elle est là. Ici.
We had a great ice adventure in Canada. Hi, Sharon.
Hi, girls. Hey, before you go, you want to go on some ice rides?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I would like to reach out my hand. Oh, Messiah, oh, tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody young. Well, pick me up, going high. Oh, Messiah, oh, tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody young.